Laughing at
You. Okay, guys, this is a story time of us moving all the way from Fontana, California to Houston, Texas.
Houston, everything big in Texas.
Where do we even start? Okay, let's just start. The U-Haul prices. We was not prepared.
It wasn't that expensive though. How much was the full price?
Like I think like 1,600, but they took it down to like 14, I think.
Yeah, because at first we had it for Killeen, then we just switched it to Houston. And actually, I'm gonna put the screen down. So we're not looking at ourselves, and we're looking at the lens. Oh yeah, we're still in the frame. Yeah, so they took it down to 14 when we moved it from Killeen to Houston. I don't know why, even though Houston is further than Killeen, they put it down, but and it's a further distance. Killeen is in the middle of everything.
Oh, I thought you said
Houston is like
yeah,
at the end. But it was a journey. We decided to drive, and it's crazy because when we drove, we made it. We made it all the way here. The journey was amazing. We went through Nevada, went through New Mexico, Arizona, and we went through the entire state of Texas. And an hour and 30 minutes away from the crib, our car broke down and it just gave up.
Yep. My first ever car, and it gave out.
Gave up. We took it to the shop. We was like, oh, how much is it gonna be? He was like, yep,
$8,100.
$8,100
for a used engine to put in.
Used engine, not even a brand new one, a used engine. So I was like, yep. Well, we're getting rid of this motherfucking car. So that happened. Her cousin had to come pick us up, and we got to the apartment. They said we couldn't check in yet because they not done with the apartment yet. So we had to get a hotel. Yeah, we had to get a hotel.
Oh my god, y'all, the hotel was crazy.
In the hood, bro.
There was people shooting up right outside.
Shooting up heroin outside, bro. It was two dudes doing coke outside. And I'm sitting there like, what? And then we had our two dogs with us too. Two dogs with us, and I'm like, bro, I think I want to go back to California at this point. Like this was horrible. Then I'm like, fuck it. It's just for a night. Just for a night. We just gotta stay positive. So
yeah, it was really stressful.
Yeah, it was a stressful, but 2 days. Yeah, like 2 days. 2 days was like, damn.
Even when we first got in, like, I think it was like we just went through a lot. Like, well, only because of me. Like, well, not because of me, but like you're more optimistic on stuff.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get stressed out of stuff I can't control. Like, she would get mad over stuff.
Yeah, like every day it was just like, damn, again, something's happening. And he's just so positive, and I'm just like, I don't know how you doing it.
But anyway, we got the apartment, we came here, they said, okay, write down whatever is not done or whatever is not fixed. They half-assed it, so, and they still haven't fixed it. Our room door shit is broke. Our light in the second bathroom doesn't work that well. Our AC, it works in here perfectly fine, but in the room it doesn't work that well. And that's pretty much the big stuff. The
dog thing over and over again.
What? Oh yeah. So they said, oh yeah, we don't accept cane corsos in this building. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna put her as a service dog, and we're just waiting to get approved if she can get approved for a service dog. If she can't get approved, I'm gonna just hide this motherfucker, like, at this point, cause y'all ain't even fixed, y'all haven't even fixed most of the stuff in there. There's roaches in here. I was like, bro, but in a couple months, we hoping to be in a better position. Cause this shit is stressful. You feel me?
No, I say the good thing though is like it's not ghetto to where, you know, you have people in your business or, you know, shootings going on. Like, people mind their business, you know, do whatever they gotta do. With kids around, they play outside all the time, stuff like that. So I mean, it's not too bad. It's just the fact of the apartment itself needs to be managed better.
Yeah, that's it. Other than that, everything is cool. Like, people are nice. Most people that I've come encounter with in the building, they're pretty nice. So
yeah, we did make a hasty decision on the apartment. That's why, you know, we didn't expect for it to look how it looked.
Yeah, lesson learned. Yeah. Look at the apartment in person before you actually put a deposit down. Well, not put a deposit down, but look at the apartment before you even decide to apply to it.
Yeah, we looked at a couple of houses and apartments and stuff, but we weren't really qualified and time was running out. So we were like, forget it. We're just going to find something real quick that we could get accepted to. And this is what we got accepted to. So it is what it is. But
I mean, it's not bad. Y'all go see in the first video that it's a pretty nice, pretty spacious. So it's not a bad place. It's just, yeah. But anyways, lesson learned. Change your oil before you leave the state. I mean, honestly,
we took that car everywhere.
We took the car everywhere, but we actually took care of it. So when it broke down and it wasn't working anymore, it really surprised me, because I'm like, dang, we take care of the car really well. We took care of the engine, we took care of the oil all the time. We just missed one time, and then that one time cost us having the car. So we're stuck in the house. So now we just doing YouTube videos. But the struggle was real getting here. We went broke our first month moving here. Yeah, really went broke. But yeah, next month it's gonna be a little bit better, and we just hope y'all can join us on our journey on getting better at saving money, budgeting, and yeah. But one thing about this experience, it has brought us a lot closer. What you think? Yeah, it has brought us. Yeah, has brought us a lot closer. We have a whole business. We just flew to Vegas for a business meeting. I know I shouldn't have went because I didn't really have no money to go, but I just went, and I learned a lot of valuable things. But yeah, it's really brought us closer as friends, as a couple. So I like that. It's been an interesting journey for us.
10 months and still counting.
10 months is still counting. I'm not even counting. I'm just enjoying the time. Just enjoying the time we have together. But on this channel, you will see a lot of us, a lot of things, a lot of us coming closer. Maybe some pranks. What you think?
Sure, I gotta think of some, but okay.
Pranks, date nights, vlogs, a lot of story times. We have hella more story times to tell you guys. Yeah, we already traveled out the country together, vlogged it a little bit, yes, but didn't really vlog it. But
our 1-year anniversary is coming up, so hopefully we vlog that out of the country.
Yeah. Where we going? Where we gonna go?
I don't know.
Top 5 places.
Top 5. I already told you, Edinburgh. We can go to like France or something.
Edinburgh, France. Okay.
Dang, I gotta go look at the map.
Alright, fuck it. Let's go.
I want to go to Greece, but Greece is expensive, so we'll wait. We should do that like when we like get like hella money. We go to what did I say? Greece.
Yeah. So
I don't have my glasses on. Germany. I'm gonna go to Germany. We could go somewhere in Africa.
Yeah, actually, what's the crazy thing is, we both found out we're Nigerian, so I can actually get a Nigerian passport if I want to. So I really want to go to Nigeria sometime this year or next year to get my citizenship in Nigeria. So that's going to be an amazing journey. And I also have my own channel that I'm gonna be talking on. Have my own channel, have a reaction channel, and have a finance channel. So she's gonna have her couple channels. She's gonna explain those more. But all right, where we going?
And wait, so what have I said? France. What else?
France, Edinburgh,
Germany, Africa. I really want to go to Tokyo.
Yeah, Tokyo's on my list too.
So I can eat noodles and sushi. She don't like sushi.
Yeah, she likes sushi.
Not sushi.
But if you don't have a world map, we do, and we're gonna be showing you a lot of different places. I've already been Colombia. I've already been to Mexico. I love Colombia. It's amazing. I've been to the Middle East, all over the Middle East. So on my regular channel, I'll be explaining that more.
Yeah,
story times on that.
Turkey. Where's Turkey at?
Turkey's in the Middle East somewhere.
Turkey.
So what was the five? What was the five places you said? Greece, Edinburgh, France.
No, Greece is not. We're not. Well, yes, I want to go, but not now because you said it's expensive. But Greece is a romantic getaway that I really want to get to. Or like Italy or France. Somewhere France, like honestly, like Edinburgh. Paris, around whatever over there. Germany, Edinburgh, somewhere in Africa. What do you call it? Tokyo. And what else did I say? Guys, don't smoke. That's what happens.
Anyway, yeah, don't smoke weed. See, her brain is farting. But you guys will be a part of our journey. We hope to see you guys soon, meet you guys soon, and keep watching this. It's going to be an amazing journey.
Yeah, if you guys have any recommendations of places to go, especially if it's couple places, let us know.
Yeah, romantic getaways. Yeah. Let us know. We already know Greece, but Greece is expensive.
Bali too.
Bali is not expensive. It's expensive to get there. But
no, like romantic. Well, kind of. Right? Is it? Yeah. Yeah. So leave some comments and suggestions for us and tips for moving and stuff like that.
Yeah. So thank you for watching. Join us in the next video.
Wait, I'm gonna fall.
We don't even know what the next video is gonna be, but join us in the next video and keep watching this. It's gonna be an amazing journey.
More to why do you have to buy my forehead? Peanut head.
Okay. And we're gonna get boxing gloves and we're gonna fight.
Yeah, every time he makes me mad, right now I just do push-ups. Every time he pisses me off. Yesterday he made me mad, I did push-ups. But yeah, we're gonna have a whole fucking fight club going on.
Yeah. Fight club in the crib. But what else say? Yeah, you end it out.
Alright guys, till the next time. Theo and Kiki.
Ew.
It's hot.